Did you know that cats get more loving and affectionate as they get older? This is why. Post a cute picture of your cat in the comments, and please follow to join the cat army. A big reason for this is because lower energy equals more cuddle time. As cats get older, they begin to slow down and value quiet and comfort more. This leads to a lot more cuddles and nap sessions with their person than they did when they were younger. Another reason for this is because they grow stronger attachment over time. The longer a cat lives with you, the deeper the trust and the more secure they feel. Years of consistent care often turn into deeper emotional bonding. So has your cat grew more loving as they've gotten older? Let me know in the comments.